Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Securing good marks in the Class 10 board examination is an aspiration of every student as it will pave the way for higher studies to crop up the career. A total dedication, hard work, and most importantly, the skills to perform well are the key factors to achieve the goal. Classroom learnings often miss the in depth and detailed explanation to understand the concept. Proper guidance from experts can bridge the shortfalls to a great extent. Mathematics is a subject most of the students are feared of. Vishwam, through its Life Member Shri Kochukuttan, a postgraduate in MSc Mathematics, is trying to guide and help the students of class 10th in solving the pre-board examination question paper for the academic year 2022 to 23. Shri Kochukuttan has more than 40 years of experience in guiding students of class 10th to postgraduate level in Delhi and NCR. Please have a great learning experience ahead. Hope that his insights will be beneficial for the students to find their real potential and his efforts will be highly appreciated.
Hello students, we are going to solve mathematics pre-board question paper 10th, that is standard question paper. This is 2022-23. We may solve this paper. Now it consists of 5 parts. Section A has 20 questions carrying 1 mark each. It is MCQ. Section B has 5 questions, 2 marks each. Section C, 6 questions carrying 3 marks each. Section D has 4 questions carrying 5 marks each. And section E, 3 case-based questions carrying 4 marks. So let us start the questions. Let us start section A. Question number 1. The largest number that will divide 398, 436, leaving remainder 7 and 11 respectively is 398, 436, leaving remainder 7 and 11. So leaving remainder 7 means the actual number is 391 and 11 means 425. So find the HClog. Factors of 391, 17, 23, factors of 4, 25. Factors so HCF equal to 17. So the options given are A15, B17, C18 and D20. So we get option 7, option B 17. Question number 2. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx is equal to x square minus 5x plus k, such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, then the value of k is fx is equal to x square minus 5x plus k. Alpha and beta are such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1. So the find the value of k. Here given that alpha minus beta is equal to 1. If polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 the polynomial, Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Given that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, so here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, minus of minus 5 divided by 1, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Given alpha minus beta is equal to 1, so alpha plus beta is equal to 5, adding 2 alpha is equal to 6 or alpha is equal to 3. Beta is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. So alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. Now we want to find the value of k. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C is k by 1. That is 3 into 2 is equal to, so the options are A4, B5, C6 and D7. Our option is C is equal to 6 is the option. Question number 3. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. The quadratic equation for the given equation is, four options are given. Product of two consecutive positive, let one number is equal to, one integer is equal to x. So next integer is equal to x plus 1. Product is equal to x into x plus 1. That is given as 306. So x square plus x is equal to 306, or x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So options given are A, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. B, x square plus x plus 306 is equal to 0. C, x square minus 306 is equal to 0. And D, minus x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So we got this one. Therefore our option is A, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Then find the value of y plus z. PQR. Triangle ABC and PQR are similar. Therefore, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. AB by PQ, BC by QR equal to AC 4 root 3 divided by PRY. So if we take first and second, we get a Z is equal to 8 by 6 into 3, 4. And second and third, 8 by 6 is equal to 4 root 3 by y. So y is equal to 4 root 3 into 6 by 8. 3 root 3. Z is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3 root 3. We want y plus z. This is equal to 3 root 3 plus 4. See the options. A 3 plus 3 root 3, B 4 plus 3 root 3, C 6 plus 3 root 3, and D 8 plus 3 root 3. So our answer is 3 root 3 plus 4. So option B is the correct answer. Yes, question number 5 next. If the points A minus 2 minus 1, B 1 0, C 4 3 and D 1 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, then the midpoint of AC is what? It is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Always write in order A, B, C, D and don't write this type A, B, C, D. This is wrong method to indicate. Always give in the order. A, B, next point C, so last point is D. Given points are A minus 2 minus 1, B 1 0, C 4 3 and D 1 2. We want the midpoint of AC. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus 4, 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. That is 1 1. The given options are A 1 1, B 0 1, C 1 0 and D 2 0. We got the answer 1 1, so option A is the correct one. Question number 6. 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta. Find its value. Its value options are 2 sec square theta, sec square theta into cos square theta, 1 0. First we simplify this one. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Taking LCM, this becomes 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta plus sin theta minus sin theta cancel. 2 by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. That is 2 by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Or we can write this 1 by cos square theta. 2 into 1 by cos square theta is c square theta, reciprocal of cos square. So 2 sec square theta. So A is the correct. Now question number 7. If P1 and P2 are odd prime numbers such that P1 greater than P2, then P1 square minus P2 square will be Options are even number, odd number, odd prime number, a prime number. P1, P2 are odd prime numbers. P1 is prime, P2 is prime, they are odd numbers also. These are the options. Since P1 is odd, P1 square also odd. P2 is odd, P2 square is also odd. So here P1 square minus P2 square, difference of two odd numbers. Always difference between two odd numbers is always even. Take the numbers 3 and 5. Their difference is 2, that is even number. 3 and 7, they are odd numbers. Difference between them and 4, that is even. So difference between two odd numbers is always even. Similarly, difference between two even numbers is also even. Therefore, here difference between two odd numbers, that is always even. So we see which is the option correct. An even number, option A is correct. Difference between two odd numbers. Question number 8. The value of k for which the pair of equations x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0 is inconsistent if the options are given. A 2, B 5, C 7, D 10. These two equations are inconsistent if the value of k is what will be this one. Equation is inconsistent, say this is consistent if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This is inconsistent. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This is also consistent. Consistent means having solution. This has one solution, this has many solutions. Anyway, either one solution or many solution, they are called consistent. If there is no solution, it is inconsistent. So we want a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 by a2 means 1 by 5 equal to b1 by b2 means 2 by k, c1 by c. So k is equal to cross multiplying 10. First here also, first we have to write this in the standard form, that is x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. Anyway, 1 by 5, 2 by k. This is equal to, so k is equal to 10. So our correct option is D. Now go to question number 9. In the figure, angle BAC is equal to 90 and AD perpendicular to BC. This angle is 90. This is the given condition. Then options are AD, sorry, BD into CD equal to BC square, AB into AC equal to BC square, BD into CD equal to AD square, AB into AC equal to AD square. Which option is correct here? You see. This angle is 90. So draw perpendicular AD. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now consider these two triangles. So this triangle and this triangle, two triangles. In triangle ADC and ADB, these two triangles, ADC and ADB. So angle ADC equal to 90, angle ADB is also 90. Since this angle is totally 90, this plus this is also 90. And also angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. If you take in this one, this angle 1 plus 2 equal to 90 because this is right triangle. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. In the whole triangle, angle A is 90. So 1 plus 3 is also 90. By angle sum property, angle 1 plus 3 is 90. Here angle 1 plus 2 is also 90. Therefore, we get angle 2 equal to angle 3. It means angle DAC equal to angle DBA. Therefore, by AA similarity theorem, triangle ADC similar to ADC. ADC triangle BDA. ADC middle 90, here also middle angle 90. So angle 1 equal to, sorry, 2 is equal to 3. 2. Angle DAC, DAC and DBA, DBA, 2 equal to 3, middle angle is this one. Now therefore, we get AD by BD equal to DC by DA is equal to AC by BA. So cross multiplying these two, if we take this one, AD into DA, that is AD square is equal to BD into DC. Take this option, AD square is equal to BD into DC. BD into DC. AD square is equal to BD into DC or CD. So option C is the correct one. Question number 10. Which term of the AP 21, 28, 35, 42, etc. is 210? 21, 28, 35, 42, etc. So last term is 210. Which term is? That is option 26th part term, 28th, 30th, 32nd. So nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the term is 210. A first term is 21. Here we want to find the n. D common difference. Here 21, 28, 35, etc. Difference between the two. Second term minus first term is 7. That is 210 minus 21 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Twenty-seven is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 27 plus 1, 28. 28 is the value. So here the correct option is B, 28th term. Question number 11. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b are 2n minus 3, then the options x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b, zeros are 2 and minus 3. Then options a is equal to minus 7, b is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1, c a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, and d a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 6. Given that zeros are 2 and minus 3, that is alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is relationship between coefficients and zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta means 2 plus minus 3 equal to minus b by a. Minus here b is a plus 1. This is a, this is b, this is c. Minus b by 1. So 2 minus 3. Minus 1 is equal to minus a minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus a. So 0 is equal to minus a. So a is equal to 0. And product alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That is alpha 2 into minus 3 is equal to, here c is b by a is 1. Minus 6 is equal to b. So b is equal to 6. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 6. We see the option. Option D is the correct one. Now question 12. AUBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are A03, B00 and B50. The length of its diagonal AOBC. AOBC. Always write in the order. A03, O00, B50. These three vertices are given. The length of diagonal. Options are 4 units, 5 root 5, See, root 34 and D8, which is correct. So we want to find the diagonal. We can take any diagonal, either AB or OC. Since AB, point A and B are given, we take AB. It is a rectangle, therefore any diagonal, both the diagonals are equal, therefore we take the diagonal AB. Distance between 2 points is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is 5 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square. That is root of, this is 25 plus 9 root 34. So our option is C, root 34. Question number 13. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 264 centimeter square and its volume is 924 centimeter cube. The ratio of its height to its diameter. Options. Curved surface area 264 and volume 924. Now ratio height to diameter. A 3:7, B 7:3, C 1:3 and D 7:1. C. Curved surface area is 264 and volume is 924. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that is equal to 264, and volume pi r square h, that is equal to 924. Dividing h cancels, the pi cancel, 1 r is cancelled. Therefore 2 by r, 264 divided by 924. Therefore r is equal to 924 into 2 divided by 264. Nine 24 divided by 132, that is equal to 7. Radius is equal to 7. So we substitute this one. We want height and diameter. If radius is equal to 7, we can write diameter. Now to find the height also. 2 pi RH is equal to 264, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into h is equal to 264. Here 7 and 7 cancel. Therefore h is equal to 264 divided by 2 into 22. 132. Also we get 6. Therefore height is 6 and radius is 7. Diameter 40. For simplifying, cancelling, we get a 3:7. So 3:7 is the answer. So see the options. First option is the correct one. 3:7. Now question 14. In the given figure, angle AOB is equal to 135. So angle COD. O is the center of this circle, where AB, BC, CD, AD are tangents. Given angle AUB is equal to 135. Now COD. Options given are 35 degrees, B 45 degrees, 55 degrees, and D 65 degrees. Since all these sides are tangents to the circle, the opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180. Supplementary. Therefore, angle DOC, 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degrees. See the options. Option B, 45 degrees is the right option. Question number 15. It is proposed to build a circular park equal in area to sum of the areas of two circular parks of diameter 16 meter and 12 meter in a locality. The radius of the new park would be, options are given, 10 meter, 15 meter. Two parks of diameter 16 meter and second one 12 meter. So we want to build a new park whose area is equal to sum of the given two parks. So radius of the first park is 8 meter and radius of the second park is equal to 6 meter. So its volume is equal to volume pi r square, that is pi into 8 square, 64 pi. Area of the second, pi r square, pi into 6 square, that is equal to 36 pi. Total area 64 pi plus 36 pi, that is equal to 100 pi. So this is the area of new park. That is pi r square is equal to 100 pi. So r square is equal to 100 pi divided by pi, 100. So radius is equal to root 100, that is equal to 10. So the radius of the new park would be, or options given, A is the correct option. It is asked the radius, where in the question diameters are given. So we got the radius of the new park will be 10 meter. A is the correct option. Question number 16. In the figure, AB is diameter of a circle centered at O. BC is tangent to a circle at B. If OP bisects the chord AD and angle AOP is equal to 40 degrees, then angle BCD is a tangent. A, O, P, B, D, C. Angle AOP equal to 40. Then to find angle BCD. Options are 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, and the 60 degrees. Angle BCD, this angle. Now in this one, angle AOP is equal to 40. Given that OP bisects AD. Since OP bisects AD, OP is perpendicular to AD. Therefore, this angle becomes 90. It is a bisector, therefore clearly it is perpendicular. So this angle is 90. So in angle sum property, take triangle APO in which one is 40 and the other is 90. So third angle, by angle sum property, angle OAP is equal to 50. 40 plus 90 plus this total angle is 180. Therefore by angle property, this is 50. Now we want to this one. It is also given that this is a tangent, this is diameter, or radius is perpendicular to tangent. This angle we get 90. By again angle sum property, this is 50. We already calculated. This is 90. So this angle. Again by angle sum property, 90 plus 50 plus this angle is equal to 180. Therefore this angle should be 40 degrees. So see the options. B is the correct option, 40 degrees. 17. In triangle ABC, if angle B equal to 90, AB is equal to 2 centimeter and BC is equal to 1 centimeter, then the value of sine square C we want. Angle B is 90, ABC. AB is equal to BC is equal to 1. We want sine square C. Options are A 1 by 2, B 1 by 4, C 4 by 5, and D 4 by root 5. Since it is a right triangle, first we find the value of AC by Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 5. Therefore AC is equal to root 5. We want sine square C. So sine C is equal to, as per definition, sine of angle theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. C, opposite side is 2 and hypotenuse AC is equal to root 5. This is sine C. Therefore sine square C equal to 4 by 5. Or options, option C is the correct one. 4 by 5 is sine square C. Question number 18. A number is selected from 1 to 25. The probability that it is a prime number is one number is selected among this 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 25. Probability it is a prime. Prime. Options are 1 by 6, 2 by 5, 5 by 6, 9 by 25. See, we want prime numbers. See what are the prime from 1 to 25, starting from 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is the first prime, smallest, and which is also even. 2, 3, 5, 7, next prime, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers are there. As for probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number. Favorable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers out of 25. So 9 by 25 is the probability of prime numbers. The option 9 by 25. D is the correct option. Now question number 19. There are two parts. One assertion and the other part reason. Assertion A given, if the height of a cone is 24 centimeter, and diameter of base is 14, then slant height equal to 15. This is assertion, that is given data, and reasons are given. If R is the radius, H is the height, L is the slant height, then L is equal to root of H square plus R square. This is assertion, this is reason. Then which of the following are correct? Option A, both A and R are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. First we check both assertion and reason. Height is 24, diameter is 14, slant height is 15. First we check whether this is true. If this is height, this is slant height, this is radius, then we get this is correct. Slant height is equal to root of H square plus R square. Check it. L is equal to root of H square. 24 square plus R square. Diameter is given as 14, therefore radius is equal to 7. So slant height is 25 when we calculate correctly, but here it is given that slant height is 15. This cannot be true, because if height is 24, diameter is 14, slant height cannot be 15. Slant height is the longest distance, therefore it cannot be true. But this formula is true. This is wrong values. Therefore, A is false, or reason is correct. Option D is the correct one. Yes. Question number 20. Assertion A. For y is equal to 6, the distance between points P20 and Q10y. Distance is 10. This is the assertion. Then y is equal to 6. Distance between these 2 points is given as 10. Reason is given. Distance between 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, the options given are both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Assertion and reason are true, and R is reason is correct explanation. B. Both assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation. R is not correct explanation. C. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. And last part D. Assertion A is false, reason R is true. First we see whether this is, as per this one, distance between this formula, we know that distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y the whole square. This is correct, we know. So applying this one, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the y. Here y is equal to 6, 6 minus 0 the whole square. 10 minus 2, 8 square is 64, 6 minus 0, 6 square is 36. Root 100, that is equal to 10. So this is correct, this formula is also correct. The distance between 2 points is, formula is this one. The given distance is also correct. When y is equal to 6, we get distance. So both are correct. Assertion is correct as well as reason is correct. It is the correct. So A is true, R is true. R is the correct explanation. That is the correct one. So option A is the correct option. Hi students, think you are clear about the questions and the answers. Very much clear. If anybody has any doubt, you can comment and the questions and the answer will be cleared. At any time you can ask. Okay.
Hello, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button for new video notifications.